UTC has substantially changed its portfolio of businesses over the past few years. Big theme seems to be lots more people going to live in cities, lots more people going to fly in airplanes. Is that pretty much it?
That's the strategy. If you want to simplify it in its most base terms, really it's about urbanization, right? This trend of 60 million people a year moving from the farms to the cities. And it's about commercial aerospace, where again, those people, as they're going to the cities, as wealth is created, as middle classes grow, people want to connect. And that means there's going to be another 30,000 large aircraft delivered in the next 20 years. Again, that's the two themes that we're focused on: commercial aero, commercial buildings.
You've obviously based this strategy on a big picture global view of what's happening. Where geographically do you see the greatest opportunities now?
Geographically, if you think about urbanization, it really is all about the Far East. China's still leading the way. If we think about this year, something like 17 million people urbanize in China. And so if you think about the products that UTC sells, it's elevators, it's air conditioning, it's security systems, all of those things that enable a modern urban life. And that's where the focus of the business on. Our business will be up about 15% in China this year on the elevator side, about the same on the security side, and a little bit less on the air conditioning side, but still pretty strong growth. So it is about China.
How about Europe? What I keep hearing from people is slow growth or no growth as far as the eye can see.
Europe is a little bit different situation. For us, 20% of our revenues come out of Europe. It's also one of the most profitable regions. Otis Elevator, not surprisingly, has a huge business in Europe, and about half of the profits actually come out of servicing elevators there. The problem, to your point, is no growth. Right, so you've got this beautiful installed base of elevators, but you've got no growth. There's really not much going on, especially in the southern European economies. North, a little bit different. I mean, Germany has moderate growth, France a little bit, UK. And if you think about the biggest growth area of Europe is actually Russia. And that is our biggest growth market that we see this year. Again, it's oil and gas, and some of the other commodities. But as far as the rest of Europe, it's a tough slog. They've got some structural issues that they still have yet to deal with there.